Hey folks, we have an unfortunate situation in which one of our clients have had water damage to their home, and our team of professionals are inside working on it. Wanted to share with you guys some of the work that we're doing. Hey, let's go inside. Honey, I'm home. Come on inside, guys. So this is a home that was impacted, unfortunately, by water. When the homeowner wasn't home, this dishwasher overflowed, and it overflowed into the dining room area, overflowed into the kitchen area, overflowed all the way through the hallway, and just made a huge mess in their home. One of our partners, restoration company, came in and did all the work, treated the home for mold, gutted out the areas that needed to be gutted out and taken care of. And Morgan contractors are coming in right now, and we're preparing the home to make it look like it never actually happened. So let's go talk to some of our team here. So as we turn the corner, we have William, affectionately known as Chicky, and he's pulling all the wallpaper down, and he's going to come behind it with some nice spackle in order to make sure that all the nice wall areas are nice and smooth. All these little holes will be removed, and it'll be spackled so it looks baby smooth when it's all said and done. And then we have Mr. Joel here, one of our project managers. He's working on, well, I'll let you tell him, Joel, what you working on?
We are preparing the room, we are sparkling and preparing for painting.
All right. So as you can see, he's put some new fresh drywall here, and he's put some new spackle in the space here. And then after we finish doing all the spackle work in the room, we're going to paint it, and then we're going to integrate brand new oak hardwood floors all the way through the hallway, all the way through this space here, put beautiful new molding in, enhance the space with some new lighting, and then make sure it has a beautiful, beautiful new paint job. You saw the before pictures. If you remember, it was a dishwasher that discharged and created havoc all on the first floor. Let me draw your attention to the beautiful new floors that we've installed. We've done repairs on the walls. We put insulation on the walls. We put brand new moldings down. Now finished put the finishes on the walls. And as you can see, the kitchen is back in place, appliances are back in place. We actually have our homeowners are just so happy and excited about getting back home. They're beginning to position their things back the way it was before, so that way they can now have a nice Sunday dinner or Saturday dinner or Friday dinner, and then begin to relax and stay at home and enjoy themselves. So if you remember, the flooring was not even here at the time. So what we did is we put brand new oak hardwood flooring throughout the house. And then we integrated the old floor into the new floor so that you can't even tell where the old floor was and the new floor begins. So as we kind of pan through here, you can see we have all the walls repaired, all the painting is on the walls finished, we have televisions back in place, plants are back in place, furniture is back in place. Come on over here. We now started walking through the hallway. The hallway is finished, but here's the beautiful brand new bathroom. We've got the new flooring in, we've got vanity, we have a toilet, we have all this one. Come on, let me see, I turn the light on here. Let's see, here we go. So we have a brand new tub. We've got beautiful new tiles into the tub area, if you will. And then we have new toilet, as everything's been freshly upgraded here, so that the homeowners are able to get home and enjoy their brand new bathroom. So this is just a little bit of a sneak peek of what Morgan Contractors can do for you.